Hi, my name is Joanna Cahill. I'm the owner of Healthy Home Cleaning. We're a green cleaning business based in Asheville, North Carolina, specializing in the use of non-toxic cleaning products. Today we're going to talk about how to remove red wine stains from your wool carpet. Okay, so today we're going to be using vinegar, baking soda, water, and just a little dish and a spoon to mix up our solution here today. Okay. So I've already pre-mixed this, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take half a cup of cold water. It's important that it's cold because if you use warm water, it's going to go ahead and set our wine stain in even more than it is. So cold water and half vinegar. You're going to take that and just go ahead and pour a little bit into our bowl here. And then we're going to go ahead and add our baking soda to make a paste. Okay, go ahead and mix that together. We want to get the right consistency here, consistency of a paste. So keep adding until you get that nice creamy paste here. It looks good enough to eat like frosting, but trust me, you don't want to eat this. Okay, so once you've done that, we'll go ahead and put our paste onto the stain here. And then we'll take our cloth, go ahead and kind of push that into the carpet. You're going to want to be really gentle with your wool carpet so as not to damage these fibers. Go ahead and kind of push that mixture into the carpet. You're not going to want to rub or agitate the carpet right now. We're just kind of using a blotting motion on the carpet. Okay. After you're done pushing it into the carpet fibers, just go ahead and let that stand for a few minutes. After a few minutes have passed, come back to that and just kind of move towards the center of your stain. We're going to try to get up all of this paste. Okay, so moving towards the center, and then go ahead and pick up the paste, removing it from the stain. After you've done that, there's still going to be a little bit of paste on there. We're going to go ahead and take our cold water and our vinegar mixture. And we're going to pour some over onto that stain. Get that nice fizz sound there. It's working its magic. And then we're going to go ahead again and blot the stain. I can't stress enough that we're just blotting the stain. We're not rubbing or agitating the carpet. That's going to further cement your stain here. You're going to go ahead and repeat that cold water vinegar process until your stain is completely gone, and you want to make sure that you're getting all of that baking soda residue off of there. So after you're done with the vinegar, just go ahead and rinse through it with some cold water and then let your carpet dry. This is Joanna Cahill with Healthy Home Cleaning, and I want to thank you for watching how to remove red wine stains from your wool carpet.